G'day all, quick video today. Just wanted to show you some button die holders that I made years ago out of a bit of 6 by 3/4 of an inch pine. Just 2 pieces of pine there, 2 hinges on the back, latch on the front, opens up, and there's your dies, all nice and neat. Just did the places for the dies with a Forstner drill bit, and there you have it, nice and simple. I made stacks of them up, got them all for all the different dies that I've got, but there you have it, one very simple solution for your button die storage. Again, just 2 bits of pine, drill out the holes. I used a Forstner drill bit, and there you are, nice and simple, easy to oil, keeps the rust away, and easy to stack and put away. Alright, hope you enjoyed that. Thanks for watching.